Hello, good morning, gentlemen and ladies. Doval again. In this video, I want to show you the A to Z on how to install any binary or deriv boot, how to run it, especially this current one we are using, financial B boot. Once you purchase it from us, then this is the installation processes. All right, nobody can tell you apart from Donval. Some boats is not necessary that you just run it through the DERIV platform. Yes, it will run through the DERIV platform, but in connection with another app if you want to have a very good smooth running. Some other professors always advise you to just load it directly on DERIV. If you do that, sometimes network, the operation will not be very smooth. Okay, so this is the secret. So what you do, once you receive the purchase the boat from us, so what you do, you go to Play Store. So come to Play Store. You see Play Store, right? Tap on it, go to the search space. All right, the search space of Play Store, type binary 2. Binary 2, are you seeing it? The number one there. All right, look at the app. Here is it. You click on it, then click on install. You install it. Okay, you see it's downloading. It's downloading. All right, so after downloading and installation, we take you to the next process. So you click on open after installation. All right, binary 2. So once you click on open, it will come up on a page. It's coming. It will come up to this page. Are you seeing this page now? So it will come up to this kind of interface. All right, say binary 2 dot site. Are you seeing it? You can read if you want to read. So what you do next, you just come here and click on login. Once you click on login, you enter your DERIV email and password here. Okay, your DERIV email. Okay, haven't entered the password or something, you click on login to your DERIV. You can see we have successfully logged in. If you check here, you see the CR of this account. Then you can see it's the CR. Whether you already, this one is real, you can see CR of the real account of this platform. So let me first of all, remember I said whenever you are loading any demo, first of all load it on any boat. I mean, first of all load it on a demo account. Then I click yes, load it on a demo account for test running. And whenever you get any new boat, it's very quite good. You test run it for 4 to 1 week, 4 days to 1 week, so that you get used to it before you can now dive into your real account. So that is the system. You don't always be in a haste that you see money and you want to make money in a haste. Nothing comes in a haste in a trading system. So having changed or swapped to your demo, you come to this thing. You see this load up key, you click on it, you click on load. I see load here, you click on load. So once you click on load, they will take you here where the bot is. So I downloaded the bot through WPS Office. Okay, let me show you. So you can see this person that purchased it. So in case you have purchased and I've sent it to you, then what you have to do, if you don't have WPS Office, you go to Play Store and download it, because that is where the bot will be downloaded. Okay, so you just click on the video. Bam. This is my person, that's why. And now you just click, you see it's downloading through WPS. So click on this menu. All right, then once you click on that menu, you come to WPS Office. Then you find the financial B boot. Look at it here. All right, you just tap on it and click. They said sorry, the strategy can't be used in binary boats. You may use it on a D boat. All right, that is to say because we have binary boats and we have DERIV boats. So we click take me to DERIV boat since it cannot be used there. All right, once you click on it, you allow it to load as well. And again, to make it faster, before you started logging into your binary 2 site, which is this app, it's very good. You also first of all log in that account to your normal DERIV first. Normal DERIV, you log the account first to your normal DERIV. before you can now go to the app and log in. This normal DERIV. Okay, you log in the account. You see, this is normal DERIV. Okay, this one is the normal DERIV. All right, you can now, let me also change it to demo. Okay, so having logged into your normal DERIV account, you can now go back there where they say take me to DERIV booth. You can now wait to load. Network bounce me back, sorry. So you go to that same load. Network is too fucking bad now. Then you come to load, right, through your binary site. Then you go to menu, you find your WPS where the file was downloaded. All right, you find financial bboot. Look at it here. You click on it, take me to binary 2 boot. You click on it. All right, so you allow it to load up. It's only here it requires a heavy network to transfer you to the other app, so you have to be patient. All right, you see it detected that network have logged me out in the other this thing. I'll just click on login. All right, after loading, you log in to your DERIV back again. So how do you know that it has connected together? You see WhatsApp and Telegram sign above. You see, I'll just enter my DERIV login and log into my DERIV. So it's logging in now. See, it has logged in here. So I want to swap here to 0 by clicking on the pop down menu, click on the demo, then click on the price here. Then I have swapped to demo. So now I'm in DERIV account connected with binary site to account. How do you know it has been collected? You see that this Telegram and WhatsApp will show up there. All right, so the next thing you do, you click here. Let it load finish first. Once you click on the menu, you click on dboot. Remember I said they will take us to dboot. All right, so you cancel this one, click on the dboot, the first one up there. Once you click on it, you click on this start until the 9 fill up. Then you click on dboot. Okay, click on it. Let me click on the dboot. You click on the menu to take you to the dboot. On my network is hanging. So once you click on the dboot, it will load up this way. You click on local. All right, click on local. If you click on local, you go to the menu. Then menu, you scroll up to the, what do you call it, WPS office. Then you select financial bboot under. All right, it's loaded successful. Are you seeing it here? Then, so once you load it, it will bring you to this interface. You'll be seeing the boot here. See financial bboot. All right, then the next thing you do, you click on boat builder. All right, click on boat builder this way. Click on start. All right, it will bring you to the interface of the boat. Look at the boat now. So what you have to do now here, the boat is strictly designed for volatility 50 IS. Are you seeing it? Volatility 50 IS. Then you select digit. You leave it at over. You leave it at boat. That is the default setting. Then 1 minute. Then if you come here, the lot size is 0.5. You can leave it or you can reduce it. The more you can reduce it to 0.35, but most of the time I always leave it this way. Then the expected profit should be 5. Remember, it's trading gradually. It doesn't jump anyhow. It's trading gradually. So, and I always want you to use this minimum targeted profit. Once it hit it, if you decide to run again, you run. Don't go and give it $20, $15, $30. Because it's making it money in 10 cents. It might take a time to hit it. Just be hitting it small. Don't overrun the boat. Then this prediction, you leave it at 8. Prediction should be 8. All right. Then run after should be 1. Then martingale should be 1.2. The martingale. Are you hearing me? 1.2. At most 3. All right. You can now run the boat. All right. You can click on all this next button. Well, this one is extra. You see how the setup is. 0.5, 5, 8, 1, 1.2, then stake and duration should be 1. You click on run. All right. But before you run a bot, there are some analysis you can also do. I will just teach you that because you see it has started running. It has started running like this. You see it. Okay. So the analysis you do it to at least be somehow sure. And whether you are using both or you are using manual trading pattern, gaining or losing is always obtainable. All right. So it's always what obtainable, depending on the situation of the market when you run the boat, the situation of the market. But sometimes we do checkmate. There are ways we do checkmate the situation, and even when you checkmate, that doesn't mean you will not what lose. Sometimes, all right. So, but what we do before I run both, this one is new development. You come to this pop down arrow, you click on it, you scroll. We have pro analysis. I see pro analysis. Then we have analysis 2. All right. I used to come to this analysis 2. You tap on it. All right. If you tap on it to bring you to this interface, you select that same index that the bot is trading here. You select, I'll put volatility 50IX. All right. Then you come here under select trade type. I'll choose over and under. Then I'll come to this under and over. You put 9 here, put 9 here. Then you scroll up. If the percentage, you see, this boat is the volatility something somehow is good now. If you leave it to run to the end, it will hit. If this percentage here under is 100, then that thing is due to trade. Is due to trade. If it is not up to 100%, that means that volatility is not due to trade. You can trade it, and if you have patience with it, if it is up to 100, you hit your profit and you see it. All right, you can see it's more of profit. It's just few losses which is recovering. Are you seeing it? So that is how to run this boat. Okay, that's how to run this boat. You can see it yourself is running, even though it makes some losses from the first time, though that is boat for you. It will be making losses and this, but if you leave this boat now, this target or profit must be hit. So apart from going to binary 2, you can click on the pop down menu again. You can come to pro analysis. That's what we call pro analysis here. All right, tap on the pro analysis. Then here you can select market. It's just that it's currently running. If not, you just select market here. Okay, volatility 50IX under pro analysis. Pro analysis is different from analytical 2. All right, you select the volatility 50 index to be there. Then choose here to be 10, where they say number of ticks. Make it 10. Okay, make it 10. All right, scroll up a bit. Scroll up a bit. Come to this angle. See this angle that is turning. All right, the martingale should be 1.2. The percentage value should make it 90. 90. All right, percentage value should be what? 90. All right. So this thing I'm teaching you guys openly here, it's not so it's just supposed to be those that bought the boat, but I always want to be open to some of these things so that you learn as well. All right. So once you turn it this way, you find out that we have 0.5 as our loss size. The martingale is 0.2, then value 90%. Then you come here and the label, you see this is over. It depends on what you want to trade. The boat is under, you can select under, right? Then here that it says same, you say opposite. What it means, what we have established here is that if the boat is up to 90%, you should take an under market. If it is less than, if the trade is dropping, it should take the opposite. Remember, we are using both in the other setup. I mean, we are using both here, meaning if it is up to 90 and above, it should be taking what? The under market. If it is dropping from 90, it should be taking what? Over market. I mean over market above 90, under market below 90. That's why we establish both here. Are you seeing it? So are you seeing the profit now? The both are just started measuring in profit. I told you, because it's 900% the other place I showed you. So don't come back here and I say, Don Van, what again? That's what I'm explaining, because this video might be the last video I'll do over this boat, so that we get the setup. You see where I came to analysis 2. I select the volatility, which is volatility what? Volatility 50IX, because that's what the boat is designed to trade. Then I select over and under. All right. Then here under you put it 9. Over you also put it 9. Then you scroll up and check if the percentage is 100. You see it has started dropping from 100, meaning anytime soon the market might start cracking a bit. All right, it might start cracking a bit. You can know the boat, why the boat is running, but even as at 97, don't allow it to go. You see 98. Once it comes to 95, that means you have to stop the boat yourself. All right, because it has started dropping inefficient. Though even though we run the boats to be trading up and down, you see we have recorded 1.8, just like I told you when we started, that even as the small losses, that is going to do what, get back she just recover that thing, because it's still within the 98. So you can run the boat here while checking. You can come to that analytical side and be checking the dropping. Once it drop up to 595, you shut down the boat, because from there it will be taking some kind of trade. This secret, you have never known this before. I'm just showing you for the first time as the proof Don Van. You know, I always gather all those useful information that will help you to trade better. At least this one, you're supposed to pay me to learn this, but I'll give it to you free, so that you also grow in the system. So that is how to measure and checkmate the efficiency of the index you are about to trade, whether it will worth trading. All right. So thank you very much, and that is the whole thing about this boat, and even another boat you have that is not from me. You can still use the same process to analyze them. Thank you very much, and stay blessed. Bye.